What's up YouTube? Anthony coming in with another video. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button and stay up to date with all my videos. So in this video, we are going to be discussing affiliate marketing and why you should be doing affiliate marketing and why affiliate marketing is the best business model to get started with. You do not need to own a product. You do not need to have a big email list. You can promote any products you want. And right now, I'm actually lining out my goals for this week. So you want to be writing out all your goals for your affiliate marketing. So right now you see I have the setup right behind me. I have the lights, the camera. I'm usually shooting on the computer, but wanted to do something different. So I just wanted to do a quick chat on affiliate marketing and how you can get started if you're a beginner or if you're advanced and what you should be doing in affiliate marketing. Also, I'm going to be logging in and showing you some live proof why affiliate marketing works and how you can easily get started doing affiliate marketing. Now, I focus strictly on paid advertising. This is the fastest way to actually build a consistent income with affiliate marketing. Now, you can do free traffic strategies. Yes, free traffic will work, but it is more of a long game and it does take longer to actually get results. So I'm going to log into my computer. I have my laptop right down here. Let me pull it up. So I'm going to log in and show you guys some results on one of my networks I'm actually promoting.
The game, y'all just commentate from the side. I'm like, oh God, oh my God. Everything I do, you know I do it for the squad.
So right now, let me go into the network. One of the beauties of actually doing affiliate marketing is that you can promote anybody's product that you want. So if you do not agree with the company's ethics on the offer that itself, you can skip that offer and don't even bother promoting it. So let me log in right now and see what's going on. So yeah, tell me how you guys are doing with affiliate marketing and let me know how you guys are doing in your business. It'll be really nice to hear. So as you can see, I'm down in my mini office working on the laptop right now. Sometimes it's nice to get a break from working over here on the actual computer now. So let's dive right in and check out some of my stats today. So right now you can actually see I'm on a site called Alibaba. Now what this site is actually for, this site's actually used to source Amazon products. So you always want to have multiple streams of income. So Amazon FBA is also one of my passive income streams, but by far affiliate marketing is the best way to go. Easily build a CPA campaign and know if you get results within 24 hours of your actual testing. So let's go to the network. So right now, this is actually Cash Network. This is one of my affiliate networks that I actually promote now. So let me log in. Let's log in. We can see all this live, by the way. So then let's go to Offers, Reports, and then let's go to Conversion Report. And we'll go to Campaign Summary for today. And today is the 19th when I'm filming this blog. Damn, this camera is actually pretty heavy now that I've been holding it in my hand, actually. Let's go to Daily Summary, Campaign Summary. Let me make sure I can see everything. Conversion Report, Sub ID. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here to Daily Summary, and then I'm going to change the date to today. So let me actually flip my camera around so you guys can see what I'm actually doing. So let me actually zoom in here. Let's zoom in. So we have today. Let's actually look at yesterday too. Yesterday was 3,120. And we have to, let's do week to date. Then we have week to date. So this week is actually going to be, let's zoom in on that, should be about 18,000 this week. Yeah, so right now I'm at about 17,600. So it should finish out at about 18,000 depending on the rest of the sales that we do tonight. So more importantly, with this affiliate marketing business, you do not need to have 15 employees to make commissions like this. It's build your campaign, optimize your campaign, have proper building blocks in place to structure your campaign, because where a lot of people screw up and when they want to learn affiliate marketing is that they just jump right in. And what I mean by jump right in, they don't do any research, they don't build a business. They just come into it with the short run to try to earn commissions, to put $100 in, get $200 back on Facebook ads. Now that's coming at this with the wrong idea. Now, I don't do SEO, I don't do blog sites. That takes way too long to get results. I build landing pages, I build funnels, I have a psychology and a process behind what I do. Based off of that, that brings me in results, ROI. So if you're interested in learning exactly how I do my affiliate marketing business, make sure to check out my YouTube case studies. I have one on Facebook ads, I have one on Bing ads, and they're completely free. Now, I could easily charge thousands of dollars just for those case studies, but I actually want to see people win with affiliate marketing. But anyways, more importantly than all that, so today's vlog is just to actually write down some goals. So I have my whiteboard down here. I hope you guys can see it. I have my Xbox right here too. If anyone plays Xbox, by the way, let me know. I have a backup laptop here too, right there. And then I have my business paperwork here. So today's video is just kind of like a review on like what I'm up to right now. So on every Sunday night, what I like to do is actually come, erase everything off my whiteboard and write all my goals for the week, so then I can stay organized and make sure I'm hitting all my daily goals and all my weekly goals. Now behind me, I have a whiteboard right up here. I have a whiteboard right over there. And if you guys don't have any whiteboards, go order them right now, because it's been night and day difference for me being able to write my goals out and actually manifest them into reality. Let's see, so we have some goals today, so let's write out some goals together. So one of my goals is actually this week is build done for you campaigns. So this week we're going to be building done for you campaigns. We're going to be working with the beta students in my training course. So also let me know if you like seeing videos like this. So what I want to do soon is actually do like a daily vlog maybe. I don't want to be like a daily vlogger. I like to keep videos coming out maybe 2 to 3 times a week, maybe 2 videos a week with a live stream. But let me know if you guys would like to see what I do on a normal day, affiliate marketing, how long I work on my campaigns. Also, let me know if you guys like videos like this, because what I can do is, I'm not a daily vlog or anything, but I can do a couple of these videos, maybe 1 video like this a week, where I go in and we just talk about affiliate marketing and why it's probably the best business model. I don't have 1,000 Amazon products. I don't have 1,000 employees working for me. I don't have 500 boxes sitting in my living room that I need to ship out tonight, because I don't own the products that I'm actually promoting. So that's one beauty of actually doing this. I don't deal with refunds. I don't deal with customer service. I literally build my funnels, I build the psychology behind it, and then I send traffic. So coming soon on the YouTube channel, I'm gonna have a story on mine on how I got started with affiliate marketing and all the roadblocks I went through, and pretty much how you can avoid the roadblocks that I had to deal with when I got started. Also, I'll be having a video coming out soon on Facebook ads. I'm also working on some Bing ads videos that I want to bring out to the channel. Recently, we actually did a Snapchat video for the YouTube. Let me know what kind of videos you guys want to see. I know a lot of people want to see videos on tracking. A lot of people want to see some Snapchat. Also, what we'll probably end up doing soon, probably in about 3 to 4 weeks, we'll probably end up doing another case study, YouTube case study campaigns. I think a lot of people really respect those and really like those. I think the easiest way to learn affiliate marketing and learn how to run paid advertising also is to see it done A to Z, especially if you're a beginner and you just want to get started into it and start generating $50 a day, $25, $100 a day. Easiest way to see it is actually just by running paid advertising. Now take a look at this camera, by the way. This thing's massive. I don't know if I can show it in here, but let's see. Yeah, this thing's actually pretty heavy to walk around and hold in your hand, so bear with me on these videos. But anyways, thank you for watching this video. I appreciate all my subscribers. Make sure to check out my free Facebook group, Entrepreneur Affiliates, in the link below. And thank you for watching, and have a great day.
Hey, never had you seen in your lifetime a more divine southern rapper with a swag like mine, facing all kind of time, but smile like I'm fine. Brag with such passion to shine without trying. Believe me, pain's a small thing to a giant. I was born without a dime. Out the gutter I climbed, spoke my mind and didn't stutter one time.